Welcome to Green TV. In this video you will learn about PHP string function. So here are some topics about PHP string functions. Add c slash, add slash, bin to a hash, chop, chr, chunk split, convert UU, decode, convert UU, encode, count chars, crc32, crypt, echo, explode, fpr intf, get html transition table, Habrave, hex to bin, html entity decode, html linties, html special chars decode, html special chars implode, join, ic first, Levinus, Stein, local conv, Littrim, MD5 file, MD5, Metaphone, money format, NL, lang info, NL2BR, number format, ORD, press str, print, printf, quieted, printable, decode, quieted, printable, encode, uncode, quatmeta, rterm, set local, sha1 file, sha1, similar text, soundex, string tf, sscanf, str contains, str ends with, str get csv, str I replace, str paid, str repeat, str replace, str row 13, str shuffle, str split, str starts with, str word count, str case cmp, str chr, str cmp, str col, str cspn, stripe tags, stripe c slash, stripe post, str ipost, stripe slash, str I, str lane, str and str nat kcmp, str natcmp, str kcmp, str ncmp, str brk, str pose, str rchr, str rave, str ipose, str pose, str spn, str talk, str lower, str topper, str tr, sub str compare, sub str count, sub str replace, sub str term, uc first, uc words, vfp, vf printf, v printf, vs printf, word wrap, d%, convert cyr string, Habrave. So I will read I will read the all examples and and definition of basic string function. So first, crypt. PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Crypt. One-way string hashing. Warning: this function is not yet binarily safe. Description: crypt. String, dollar salt. String. Crypt will return a hashed string using the standard Unix DAX based algorithm or alternative algorithms. The salt parameter and optional, however, crypt creates a weak hash without the salt and rise a e-notice error without it. Make sure to specify a strong enough salt for better security. Password hash. Use a strong hash, generates a strong salt and applies proper rounds automatically. Password hash is a simple crypt wrapper and compatible with exiting password hash. Use of password hash is encouraged. The hash type is targeted by the salt argument. If not salt is provided, PHP will auto-generate either a standard 2-character dash salt or 12-character MD5 depending on the availability of MD5 crypt. PHP sets a constant named crypt salt length, which includes the longest valid salt allowed by the available hash. The standard disk based crypt returns the salt as the first 2 characters of the output. It also uses the first 8 character of strings. So longer strings that start with the same either characters will generate the same result when the same salt is used. The following hash types are supported. Crypt std disk. Standard disk based hash with a 2-character salt from the alphabet 09AZAZ. Using invalid characters in the salt will cause crypt to fail. Crypt ext disk. Extended disk based hash. The salt is a 9-character string consisting of an underscore followed by 4 bytes of iteration count and 4 bytes of salt. These are uncoded as printable characters, 6 bytes per character. Least significant character first. The values 0 to 63 are encoded as 09AZAZ. Using invalid characters in the salt will cause crypt to fail. Crypt MD5. MD5 hash link with a 12-character salt starting with $1. Crypt blowfish. Blowfish hashing with a salt as follow: $2 $8 $2 multiplication $, or $2 $y. A 2-digit cost parameter $, and 22 characters with the alphabet 09AZAZ. Using character outside of this range in the salt will cause crypt to return the 0 length string. The 2-digit cost parameter is used based to logarithm of the iteration count of the underlying blowfish based hashing algorithm and must be a range 0 4 3 5 values outside. This range will cause crypt to fail. $2 multiplication hash are potentially weak. $2 a hash are compatible and mitigate this weakness. For new hash $2y should be used. Also reference to this document for full details of the related security. Fix. Crypt SHA-256. SHA-256 hash with a 16 character salt prefixed with $5. If the salt string starts with rounds and numeric value of n is used to indicate how many times the hashing loop should be executed, much like the cost parameter on blowfish. The default number of round is 5,000. There is a minimum of 1,000 and maximum of 9999999. Any selection of 9 outside this range with the truncated to the nearest limit. Crypt SHA-512 hash the 16 character salt prefixed with $6. If the salt string starts with round n the numeric value of n is used to indicate how many times the hashing loop should be executed, much like the cost parameter on blowfish. The default number of round is 5,000. There is a minimum of 1,000 and maximum of 9999999. Any selection of n outside this range will be truncated to the nearest limit. Parameters. String. The string to be hashed, cached. Using the crypt blowfish algorithm will result in the string parameter being trunked to the maximum length of 73 characters. Salt. An option salt string to base the hashing on. If not provided, the behavior is defined by the algorithm implementation and can lead to unaccepted results. Return values. Returns the hashed string or a string that is shorter than 13 characters and is granted to differ from the salt and flare. Warning. When validating password, a string compares function that isn't vulnerable to timing attacks, which be used to compare the output of crypt to the previously non-hash. PHP provides hash equal for this purpose. Change a log. Version 8.00. 8.0.0. Description. The salt is no longer optional. Examples. Example 1. Correct. Example. PHP. Let the salt be automatically generated, not recommended. Hashed password. Crypt. My password. You should pass the entire result of crypt as the salt foresee Pairing A. Password to avoid problems with different hashing algorithms. Are used as it say above. Standard disk based password has hash using a 2-character salt, but MD5 used hashing use 12 point. If hash equals hashed password crypt, user input $hashed password echo password verified. Example 2. Using crypt with HT password PHP set the password $password my password get the hash, letting the salt be automatically generated, not recommended. $hash crypt $password. Example 3. Using crypt with different hash types. PHP. This salt are example only and should not be used verbatim in your code. You should generate a distinct correctly formatted salt from each password. Echo standard disk crypt Rasmulerf RL /n echo extended disk crypt Rasmulerf jn.rasm and echo MD5 crypt Rasmulerf $1 Rasmus le echo blowfish crypt Rasmulerf $2a $07 user some silly string for salt and echo SHA 256 crypt Rasmulerf $5 rounds 5000 use some still string for salt and echo SH512 crypt Rasmulerf $6 rounds 5000 user some silly string for salt $n. The above example with output something similar to standard days RL 363KD 40BN extended days J9 Rasm BWK 8R9A IWNC MD5 $1 Rasmule RISCG ZRED PWK 3UH DID WXWin 0 blowfish SHA 256 SHA 252 SHA 512. Note there is no decrypt function since crypt uses in one way algorithm. Explode PHP 4, PHP 5, PHP 7, PHP 8. Explode split a string by a string. Description. Explode string $separator string $string int $limit PHP int max array returns an array of string. Each is a substring of string formatted by subletting it on boundaries formatted by the string separator. Parameters: separator, the boundary string, the input string, limit. If limit is set it and positive, the returned array will contain a maximum of limit elements, with the last element containing the rest of string. If the limit parameter is negative, all components except the last limit are returned. If the limit parameter is 0, then this is treated as 1. Note: Perrier or PHP 8.0 Explode accepted its parameter, and either other Explode has never supported this. You must ensure that the separator argument comes before the string arguments. Return values: returns an array of string created by splitting the string parameter on boundaries formatted by the separator. If separator is an empty string, explode will return false. If separator contains a value that is not contained in string and negative limit is used, then an empty array will be returned. Otherwise, an array containing string will be returned. If separator values appear at the start or end of string, said values will be added as empty array will either in the first or last position of the returned array, respectively. Changelog version 8.0.0 description: Explode will now throw value error when separator parameter is given an empty string. Example: Explode example PHP. Example 1: pizza 1, pizza 2, pizza, piece 1, piece 2, piece 3, piece 4, piece 5, piece 6. Pieces. Explode. This is empty. Pizza. Echo. Pieces 0, pieces 1. Echo. Pieces 1, pieces 2. Example 2: $data 4 1023 1000 home 4 bin sh list $user $pass $ud $gid $ge goes $home $shell explode $data echo $user echo $pass. Example 2: Explode. Returned examples: PHP. A string that doesn't contain the deleter will simply return the one length array of the original string. $input 1 hello, $input 2 hello there, input 3 var dump explode, input 1 var dump explode, input 2 var dump explode, input 3. The above example with output: array 1 0 string 5 hello, array 2 0 string 5 hello 1 string 5 there, array 2 0 string 0 1 string 0. Example 3: limit parameter examples: PHP $str1234 positive limit, print r explode, $str2 negative limit, print r explode, pipe $str -1. The above example with output array 0 1 1 2 3 4 array 0 1 1 2 2 3. Notes. Note its function is binary safe. Implode. Implode join array elements with a string. Description. Implode string $separate $array string. Alternative signature not supported with named arguments. Implode array $array string. Agency signature deprecated as of PHP 7.70 removed as of PHP 8.0.0. Implode array $array string $separator string. Join array element with a separator string. Parameters. Separator defaults to an empty string array. The array of string to implode. Return values. Returns a string containing a string representation of all the array elements in the same order with the separator string between each element. Changelog version 8.0.0 7.4.0. Passing the separator after the array is not longer supported. Passing the separator after a array EI using a legacy signature has been deprecated. Example 1. Implode example. PHP $array last name email phone $com separated implode $array echo $comma separated last name email phone empty string when using an empty array var dump implode hello array string. Notes. This function is binary safe. NL2BR inserts HTML line breaks before all new lines and in a string. Description. NL2BR string $string bool $use X HTML true string returns string with BR or BR inserted before all new lines RN and R. Parameters. String. The input string use XHTML. Whether to use XHTML compatible line break or not. Returns the alternated string. Example 1 using NL2BR PHP echo NL2BR 4 isn't n bar. The above example with output 4 isnt br bar. Example 2 generating valid HTML markup using the use XHTML parameter PHP echo NL2BR welcome R and this is my HTML document false. The above example with output welcome this is my HTML document. Example 3 version new line separators PHP $string this are nes and R and S and string R echo NL2BR $string The above example will output this BR is BR, ABR, string BR. Sprint TF return a formatted string. Description: string TF string dollar format mixed dollar value string returns a string producting according to the formatting string format. Parameters: format. The format string is composed of 0 or more directive ordinary characters, including that are copied directly to the result and conversion signification each results and furnishing its own parameter. A conversion signifier allows the prototype arguing $flags with precision specifier. Argnum in integer followed by the $sign to specify with number argument to treat the conversation. Flags. Flag. Description: minus left justify within the given field with right specification is the default, plus perfects positive number with a plus sign, plus default only negative or perfects with a negative sign, space pads the result with space. This is default. 0 only left page number with 0 and specifier. This can also write pad with 0. Char pads the result with the character char. With an integer that says how many characters minimum this conversation should result in. Persistent. A period followed by the integer shows meaning depends on the specifier. For EEF and F specifier, this is the number of digits to the printed after the decimal point. By default, this is 6 for GG. H. The H specifier, this is the maximum number of significant digits to the printed. For S specifier, it acts as a cutoff point, setting a maximum character limit to the string. Note: if the period is specified without the accelerating value for per session, 0 is assumed. Note: attempting to use the position specifier greater than PHP int max will generate warnings. Specifier description: %, a literal person character, no argument is required. B, the argument is treated as an integer and percentage as a binary number. C, the argument is treated as the argument and percentage as by character with the ISCII. D, the argument is treated as an integer and presented as a signed decimal number. E, the argument is treated as specified notation, e.g. I1 to E plus 2 E. Like E specifier but use upper letter, example 1 to E2. F, the argument is treated as float and presented as a floating point number, local aware. F, the argument is treated as a float and presented and present as a floating point number, non-local aware. G. General format. Let P equal to perceived in non-zero. 6 if the precision is amount or 1 if the precision of is 0. Then if a conversation with styling E would have a exponent of x. If P x4 the conversion is with style f and per 7 p x1, otherwise the conversion is with style e and precision p1. G. Like a G satisfier which uses e and f. H. Like a G satisfier but uses f, available as of PHP 8.0.0. H. Like the G satisfier but use e and f, available of the PHP 8.0.0. O. The argument is treated as a integer and presented as an octal number. As the argument is treated and presented as a string. U. The argument is treated as integer and presented as an unsigned decimal number. As the argument is treated as an integer and presented as a hexadecimal number with lowercase letters. X. The argument is treated as an integer and presented as a hexadecimal number with uppercase letters. Warning. The C-type satisfier ignores padding and with warning. Attempting to use a combination of this string and with satisfier with character sets and require more than 1 byte per character may result the unaccepted results. Variables will be co-listed to the suitable type of the satisfier. Type handling. Types. Satisfier. String S int DUCOXXB float EEFFGGH. Values. Return values. Return a string product according to formatting string format. Generalization. Version 8.0.0. Description. This function no longer returns no flutter. Example 1. Argument swing. The format string formats argument numbering swing. PHP. $num5 $location tree $format. There are D monkeys in the percent S echo. Printf $format $num $location. The above example will output there are 5 monkeys in the tree. However, imagine we are creating a format string in the separated file, commonly because we would like internationalize it and we rewrite it as PHP $format. The %s contains %d monkeys echo printf $format $num $location. We now have a problem. The order of the placeholders in the format string does not match the order of the argument in the code. We would like to leave the code as is, simply indicate in the format string with arguments that the placeholder reference to. We would write the format string like this inserted. PHP $format. The %2 contains %1 d monkeys echo spring tf $format $num $location. An add benefit is the placeholder can be repeated with adding more arguments in the code. PHP dollar format. The percentage $2 contains $1 $D monkeys. That's X. A nice percentage $2 full of percentage $1 D monkeys echo sprintf dollar format $num $location close PHP. When using arguments swimming, the and dollar position specifier must come in immediately after the percentage sign before any other specifier as shown below. Example 2. Specify padding character. PHP echo spring tf percentage and 9d and 123 echo spring tf percentage 9d and 123. The above example with output dot 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 123 0 0 0 0 123. Example 3. Position specifier with other specifier. PHP dollar format. The percentage $2 contains percentage $1 $04 monkeys echo sprintf dollar format $num $location PHP close. The above example with output. The tree contains 0005 monkeys. Example 4. Sprintf 0 padding integer close PHP dollar associated sprintf percentage $04D percentage $02D percentage $2D $year $month $day. Example 5. sprintf formatting accuracy. PHP $monkey1 686875 $monkey2 5435 $monkey1 plus $monkey2 echo $monkey echo /n. Dollar formatted sprintf percentage 012f $monkey echo dollar formatted. The above example will output 123.1 123.10. The above example with output 123.1 123.10. Example 6. Sprintf satisfier notation. PHP $number 362525200 echo sprintf percentage 3e $num. The above example will output 3.625e plus 8. Stripe tags. Stripe tags. Stripe HTML and PHP tags from a string description. Stripe tags. String $string array string null allowed tags null string. This function trees to return the string with all null bytes with an PHP tags striped with a given string. It uses the same tag striping state machine as the fgets function. Parameter string and output string. Allowed tags. You can use the optional second parameter of specify tags which should not be striped. This are either given as string or as of PHP 7.4.0 as array reference to the example below regarding the format. This is parameter. Note: HTML comments and PHP tags are also striped. This is hard coded and can be changed in allowed text with allowed text. Note: self-closing XHTML tags and ignored only on self-closing tags should be used in allowed text tags. For example, to allow both BR and BR, you should use PHP stripe tags input BR. Return values: return the striped string. Changelog version 8.0.0.0 8.0.0. Description: allowed text in nullable now. 7.4.0. The allowed text now alternatively accepts all array. Examples: example 1, type text. Example: PHP $text paragraph text paragraph close paragraph. Comment: A. Array fragment other text echo type text $text echo /n allow P and A echo type text $text PA. As of PHP 7.4.0, the line above can be written as echo stripe text $text PA close PHP. The above example will output text program paragraph other text paragraph text paragraph close paragraph. A. Array fragment other text. Notes: warning: this function should not be used to try to prevent access a text. Use more explicit function like HTML special chars or other means depending on the context of the output. Warning: because stripe text does not actually validate the HTML pattern or broken text can result in the removal of more text data and accepted. Warning: this function does not modify any attributes on the tag that you allow using allowed tags including the style and emotion and on mouse over attributes that is masculinization user may abuse when posting tags that will be shown to other users. Note: tags names within the output HTML that are greater than 1023 bytes in length will be treated as true. They are invalid regardless of the allowed text parameter. Replace all occurrence of the search string with end replacement string description. str replace array string $search array string $replace string array $subject in $count null string array. This function returns the string or an array with all occurrence of search in subject replaced with a given replace value. If you don't need fancy replace rules like regular expression, you should use this function instead of preg replace. Parameter. If search and replace are array, then str replace takes a value from each array and use them to search the replace on subject. If replace has favor value, then search then the empty string is used for the test of replacement values. If search is an array and replace is a string, then this replacement string is used for every value and search. The converse would not make sense through. If search of replacement are arrays where elements are proceed first to last search, the value being searched for, otherwise known as the needle, an array may be used in designator multiple needles. Replace. The replacement value that replace found search values. An array may be used to designate multiple replacement. Subject. The string or array being searched and replaced on, otherwise known as the hash stack. If subject is an array, then the search and replace is performed with every entire of subjects, and the return value is an array as well. Count. If passed, this will be set to the number of replacements performed. Return values. This function returns the string or an array with the replaced values. Example 1. Base str replace examples. PHP provides body text black, body tag, $body tag, str replace, body black, body text body. Provide HLL world PHP $valves array AEIOU only consonants str replace $valves hello world of PHP. Provides you should eat pizza, beer and ice cream every day. Press. You should eat fruits, vegetables and fiber every day. Healthy. Array. Fruits, vegetables, fiber. Yummy. Pizza, beer, ice cream. $news prayers. str replace $healthy, $yummy, $press. Example 2. Examples of potential str replace. Got cash. Got cash. PHP order of replace str line 1, line 2, n line 2, r line 3, r, n line 4, n. Order array rn n r replace br. Process rn as first so they aren't converted twice. $news str replace $order replace $str. Output f because A is replaced with B and B is replaced with C and so on. Finally, E is replaced with F because of left and right replacements. $search array A B C D E replace array B C D E F subject A echo str replace $search replace $subject. Output appear peer. For the same reason maintained above. $letter array BP, $fruit array apple pear, $text AP. Output str replace $letter, $fruit, $text echo $output. Note: this function is the binary safe. Caption: replacement order COTA. Because str replaces left and to right, it might replace a previously inserted value when doing multiple replacements. See also the example in this document. Note: this function is case sensitive. Use str in replace or for case sensitive replace. Str pose. Find the position of this first occurrence of a substring in a string. Description: str pose str $hashtag string $needle int $offset 0 int false. Find the numeric position of the first occurrence of needle in the hashtag string. Parameter: hashtag. The string inserts in needle period the PHP 8.0.0. If needle is not a string, it is converted to an integer and applied as the obtained values of an integer. This behavior is deprecated of PHP 7.3.0 and relying on it is highly discouraged. Departing on the retained behavior, the needle should either be expressly cast to string or an explicit call and chr should be performed. Offset: if satisfied, search with start this number is characters count from the beginning of the string. If the often is negative, the search will start this number of character contained with end of the string. Return values: returns the position of where the needle exiting relative to the beginning of the hashtag string, dependent of offset. Also note the string position start at 0 and not 1. Returns false if the needle has not found. Warning: this function may return boolean false but may also return a non-boolean value which evaluates a false. Please read the section on boolean for more information. Use the operator and testing the return value of this function. Changelog. Examples: example 1 using PHP $mystring abc $find me a $pose str pose $mystring $find me. Note: our use of simply would not work as expected because the position of a was the 0th first character. If $pause false, echo the string $find me was not find in the string. My string else echo The string $find me was found in the string $myString. Echo and exits the position $pose. Example 2 using PHP $myString abc $findme a $pose str pose $string $findme. The operator can also be used using exclamation mark is equal to would not work as expected because the position of a is 0. The statement 0 explanation false ev elicites to false. If $pose false, echo string $findme was found in string $myString. Echo the exits and at position $pose each. Else echo the string $findme was not found in the string and myString. Close PHP. Example 3 using on offset. Close PHP. We can search for the character ignoring anything before the 0 offset. $new string ABCDEF $pose str pose $new string A1 $pose is equal to 7 not 0. Close PHP. Notes. Note this function is binary safe. strrave reverse the string. Description strrave $string return string reversed. Parameters string the string is to be reserved. Return values returns a reversed string. Example 1 reversing a string with strrave. PHP echo strrave hello world output dl row hello. str find the first occurrence of a str. Description str string $hashtag string $needle bool $before needle false string false. Returns part of hashtag string starting from and including and first occurrence of needle to the end of hashtag. Note this function case sensitive. For case sensitive search use str. Note if you only want to determine if a particular needle occurs within hashtag. If the faster and less memory intensive function str pose instead. Parameter hashtag the input string needle. Parallel on PHP 8.0.0. If needle is not a string, it is converted to be integer and applied as to ordinal value of the character. This behavior is deprecated as a PHP 7.3.0 and relying on it is highly discouraged. Departing on this dependent, however, the needle should either be explicitly cast to string or an explicitly called CHR should be performed before needle. If return str return the part of hashtag before the first occurrence of the needle excluding the needle. Return values. Return the portion of string or false in needle is not found. Changelog. Example 1 str example php $email named @example.com $domain str $email @echo $domain prints $example.com $user str $email @true echo $user print names. str to lower make a string lowercase. Description str to lower string return string with all alphabetic characters converted to lowercase. Not that alphabetic is determined by current local. This means that that example in the default C local character such as unmlot A will not be converted. Parameter string and the output string. Return values. Return the lowercase string. Example 1 str to lower. Example php $str Mary had a little lamb and she loved it so. str to lower $str echo str print Mary had a little lamb and she loved it so. Note this function is binary safe. str to upper make a string uppercase. Description str to upper string returns value with the alphabetic characters convert to uppercase. Note the alphabetic is determined by the current local and instance in the default C. Local characters such as amulet A will not be converted. Parameter string. The output string return values. Return the uppercase string. Example 1 str upper example php $str Mary had a little lamb and she loved it so. str to upper $str echo $str print Mary had a little lamb and she loved it so. Close php. Note this function is binary safe. Substr return part of a string. Description: substr string $string int $offset int null $length null. Returns the portion of string specified by the often and length parameter. String: the input string. Offset: if offset is not negative, the return string will start off the offset. Th: option of in string counting from 0 is instead of the string ABCDEF, the character at position 0 is 9, that character is position 2 is C, and so forth. If offset is negative and return string will start at the offset th character from the end string. If string is less, an option character long false is returned. Example 1. Using a negative offset. PHP $rest substr abcdef -1 returns f. $reset substr abcdef -2 returns ef. $reset substr abcdef $3 -3 1 returns d. Length: if length is given and is position, the string returned will contain and most length characters being from offset depending on the length of string. If length is given given and is a negative, then that make characters will be omitted from the end of string after the start position has been calculated when offset is negative. If offset denotes the position of this calculation or beyond false will be returned. If length is given and is a false or null, an empty string will return. If length is omitted and string starting from offset until the end of the string will be returned. Example 2. Using a negative length. PHP $rest substr abcdef 0 -1 returns abcde. $rest substr abcdef 2 -1 returns cde. $rest substr abcdef 4 -4 $rest substr abcdef -3 -1 returns te. Return value: return the extracted part of string or false on filter or empty string. Changelog. Example: basic substr uses. PHP echo str abcdef 1 echo substr abcdef 13 echo substr abcdef 04 echo substr abcdef 08 echo substr abcdef -1 accessing single character in a string can also be achieved using acute brackets. $str abcdef echo $string 0 echo $string 3 echo $string strlen $string -1. Example 4. Substr casting behavior. Example 4. Substr casting behavior. PHP class apple public function to string return green echo 1 var export sub str peer 01 true PHP EOL echo 2 var export sub str 5432102 true PHP EOL echo 3 var export sub str new apple 02 return EOL echo 4 var export sub str true 01 true EOL echo 5 var export str false 01 true .php EOL PHP 6 var export sub str 01 true PHP EOL echo 7 var export sub str 1.2 E3 04 true PHP EOL. The above example with output 1P 254 3GR 4 5 empty 6 empty 7 1200 error exception return false on error PHP var dump sub str a2 bool false close PHP. Thank you for watching this video.